Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of March 20th, 2012. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software. It makes my life so much easier. And the first chart we're looking at is a weekly bond chart. You can see bonds were in an extremely long-term sideways pattern here, lasting for months, which they have now broken down out of. Breaking down targets us support this week at about 134.08. I'm not real sure they can get there, but that's the target. Resistance is up around 138. Let's call it 138.12. And I'm really not sure they can rally that far, but if they do, that not only is this calculation, but it also coincides with sort of the lows in here, so that would probably be a pretty reasonable area to look to sell again. A breakdown like this will tend to last for, 3 bars on average, so I wouldn't really look for them to turn right back around here, but it's kind of difficult to guess just how low they might go. We do have a target over here. This previous swing low was 133.19, so that's sort of what they're looking at. Is if they break that, there may be additional selling coming in that'd take them all the way back down into this area well below 125. But that's getting way ahead of ourselves. They may very well bounce someplace in here and go back up into the previous congestion area. Now in stocks, they don't look anything like a sideways pattern. They've been going up about as long as bonds have been going sideways. Had a little breakdown a couple weeks ago, and then the volatility picked up, which is kind of a good sign. It gives us something to analyze. This week, the support is down around 1380, and they are just miles above that. They haven't come anywhere near that. The target we're looking at up here is, what is that, 1412? What I'd really like, since they've left this gap here and they've run up so hard here, I'd really like to see them break that resistance and possibly head up off the chart here into, say, the 114.30 area. When the momentum indicator down here pegged just as high as it almost can go, that a move like that could indicate a blow off and bring in a high here. But it may not happen this week either. I can certainly see them continuing higher for the rest of the month, and maybe even that's shy because look how long they've been doing it. But the increase in volatility tends to indicate more of a potential top than anything we saw back in here. And if they do just accelerate up here this week, that's possibly going to exhaust this move. So that's what we're looking at today. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into this week. Thanks for looking to see what we think.